You got a smile that makes the sun rise.
Bonjour strollers, welcome back to Adam Strolls. I hope you had so much fun watching parts 1 and 2 of my Paris vlog. But you know what, strollers? Today we'll continue exploring this beautiful city of lights and romance. We've already experienced the romantic sightseeing cruise along Seine River, visited some of the iconic structures here in Paris, at natikman na din natin ang ilan sa mga masasarap na French pastries kagaya ng croissant, macaron, at may bonus pang steak and strollers. And today, strollers, our amazing adventure continues as there's so much more to see in this wonderful place. Kaya naman, strollers, tara na at samahan niyo ako sa makulay na biyahe na ito at sama-sama nating libutin ang lugar na tinugariang happiest place on earth, Disneyland Paris. And now we are finally on our way going to Disneyland Paris. You know what, strollers? Napakadali lang nitong puntahan kasi kahit manggaling ka sa angmang parte ng city ng Paris, abay, you just need to take the metro o yung train nila dito sa Paris at umabot lang ng less than an hour, nakarating na ako dito sa Disneyland. And strollers, kapag magta-travel kayo sa amang parte ng mundo, you have to be smart enough to search for different mobile apps na pwede yung gamitin as your guide sa pag-ikot sa iba't ibang lugar. Just like here, during my travel in Paris, I actually used City Mapper aside from Google Map para malaman kung anong mga bus or metro or train ang dapat kong sakyan. At pagpasok ko dito, strollers, bukod pa lang. Hay, paramdam ko, Pasko na. Sabi nga nila, you can really feel the Christmas spirit dito sa loob ng Disneyland, anumang araw o buwan ng taon. Kahit malayo pa talaga ang Pasko. And if you think na medyo mahirap libutin itong park na to, aba, it's not a problem, strollers, dahil meron silang pinamimigay na map na pwede nyo gamitin, or you can also download their Disneyland Paris app para maging guide nyo sa pag-ikot dito.
To me, it's perfectly clear we're falling in love. It's true this part of the year has...
Wow! Nakita na nga natin ang Sleeping Beauty Castle dito sa Disneyland. Oh, huwag tayo maingay, strollers, baka magising si Sleeping Beauty. Strollers, you can book your admission tickets online through Disneyland Paris app, or you can choose from different tourist websites or mobile apps where you can also get reservation tickets. But strollers, you have to be extra careful to double check kung legit talaga ang inyong reservation to save you from a lot of scammers. And the price of your admission ticket depends on how many parks you would like to visit and for how many days you would like your ticket to be valid. You can either choose to visit just the main Disneyland theme park, or you can also include the Walt Disney Studio Park for a 1-day, 2-day, or 3-day pass. Dahil mahaba ang pila sa ibang rides, aba, nagpakabata muna tayo dito, strollers. Abay, talagang makulay at sigurado ko, mag-enjoy ang lahat ng bata kapag napasok dito sa It's a Small World attraction nila. I absolutely had fun here, mga strollers. Dinig nyo naman, from the colorful lights, amazing music, at dinig nyo naman yung mga gumagalaw na yan. Nako, para ka talagang nakakita ng mga totoong mga batang naglalaro sa loob. Nung una, nahiya pa akong pumasok dito pero nung napasok na ako, nako, sabi ko, para akong naging 4 years old muli at talagang na-enjoy ko bawat isa na nakita ko sa loob ng attraction na ito. Look at that, strollers! Para sila talagang mga batang nagsasayaw. Aba, hindi ito na yata matutupad yung pangarap ko nung bata na makita si Captain Hook. Aba, tinan nyo naman, para talaga siyang barko ng mga pirates. Pero in your strollers, it's 38 degrees here in Paris. Pero buti na lang talaga napigilan kong sarili kong magtampisaw at magbasa dito. Kasi talagang init na ako nito. But don't worry, strollers, dahil if you feel dehydrated at naubos na ang inyong mga baong inumin, aba, it's not a problem here in Disneyland Paris dahil nagkalat ang mga refilling stations nila kung saan pwede nyo ulit lagyan ng tubig ang inyong mga inuminan. Hindi na nga natin napigilang hindi bumili ng pampalamig. So nakabili tayo dito ng birthday ice cream for only 7 euros. Meron na yung caramelized sugar on top plus popcorn. Ang sarap niya.
So kapag pumunta kayo dito, lalo kapag summer, siguro magbaon kayo ng mahabang pasensya kasi ang haba ng queue niya tapos sobrang init. Tapos ang masasuggest ko, magbaon kayo ng something cold or kahit water man lang para kung mainitan kayo kalagitnaan ng fila. Talaglag. Meron kayo maiinom na water. And siguro mas maganda kung pupunta kayo dito mga during spring season kasi kapag ganitong summer, yung ibang attractions nila medyo maaga nagsasara kasi dahil umiinit daw yung makina. So ayun. So yung iba hindi natin mapuntahan, hindi natin masakyan kasi nga sarado. Pero enjoy pa din. It's around 6 p.m. na dito sa Paris and hinihintay na lang natin yung light show, yung fireworks mamayang gabi. Mga around 10 p.m. yun. So kailangan mag-reserve na tayo ng seat para maganda yung view natin, maganda yung spot natin mamaya doon. So yun, see you there, strollers.
Hey strollers, it's already late afternoon here in Paris, but that doesn't mean that our adventure ends there. Hindi talaga kasi dapat nating sulitin ang araw na ito. Medyo mainit man dito at medyo napagod man tayo sa paglalakad at marami man tayo na pagdaan ng mahabang queue para lang masakyan ng mga magagandang attractions dito sa park. Aba, that should never be a reason to stop strolling. We still have enough energy and time para mag-ikot at masakyan ng mga gusto pa nating sakyan na rides, makain ng mga gusto pa nating kainin na pagkain at puntahan ang Walt Disney Studio sa kabila ng theme park.
Don't you feel the times are coming? 'Cause I feel it so strong. Been on hold on, baby. Don't you feel the times are coming? When it feels so right to dance in the moonlight, baby, with you. Sometimes we all struggle, but when the sun's my face, I think of you, all my trouble.
Talaga naman na-enjoy ko yun ha. Hindi ko na-expect yun. Pero ngayon naman, strollers, we are on our way para sa meet and greet ni Donald Duck and Mickey Mouse.
See us through. Don't you feel the times are coming? 'Cause I feel it so strong. I've been on hold on, baby.
Ako, alam nyo ba strollers, just for this meet and greet with Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck, I've waited for like almost 2 hours. Pero sabi ko naman, pwede na, sulit din naman kasi nakaharap ko ng talagang malapitan itong si Donald Duck. Tinan nyo naman, napaka kulit niya talaga, lalo sa personal. Para ako naging bata ulit dito eh. At syempre, after that, nagkaroon din ako ng chance makapag-picture taking ng malapitan kay Mickey Mouse.
As long as you and me. Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing all the plains.
And after that Mickey Mouse meet and greet, pumunta na agad tayo dito sa Walt Disney Studio Park. Don't worry strollers, kasi pwede pa rin kayong bumalik dun sa main Disneyland theme park nila. So dito lang yan sa may labas ng main entrance ng park at ilang hakbang lang yan. Ito yung pinaka gusto ko dito, yung Avengers. Akala ko parang museum lang siya na nagdi-display ng iba't ibang costume sa mga characters sa Avengers. Pero may surprise ride pala siya sa dulo na talaga namang nakakahilo at nakakagulat. Tip lang mga strollers, kung meron kayong suot na sombrero gaya ng suot ko ngayon at kung meron kayong daladalang bag, hawakan ninyo ng maigi dahil baka malaglag yan sa dulo ng ride. I'm giving you that heads up strollers kasi hindi ako nasabihan dito. Kaya naman, nung nandun na ako sa ride, I was totally shocked and surprised. Pero dahil alerto tayo, so wala naman nangyari. Natapos natin ang ride ng safe at ng may ngiti sa mga mata.
Passation derrière la ligne, s'il vous plaît, oui, bien.
And after that strollers, if you want to buy some souvenir items, toys, costumes, at kung ano-ano pa, marami kayong mabibilingan dito lang yan sa harap sa Mission Equipment Store. The most exciting part, dahil gutom na tayo strollers, so kumain na tayo dito lang yan sa tapat. And you know what? This gives me more of Avengers headquarters vibe.
And yun, strollers. So, almost 7:30 na dito ng gabi sa Paris, sa Disneyland. Pa rin tayo. And, teka lang, subo muna ako. Nagutom tayo. Medyo marami tayong rides na nasakyan dito. Dito ako ngayon sa Starts Factory. Medyo pricey yung food niya, napansin ko lang. Pero masarap yung pasta niya. Quality yung white carbonara niya. Very creamy. Tapos may cheese, yung salad din niya. Sulit naman yung bayad. Medyo mataas lang kumpara sa ibang restaurants outside. And yun, ang hinihintay na lang natin ngayon yung fireworks display nila at light show mamayang gabi. Ay, sabi nila around 10 o'clock or half 10 ng gabi. So, after dito, diretso na ride.
Dahil busog na tayo, so balik na tayo sa main Disneyland Park para makakuha ng magandang spot para sa light show and fireworks display later.
And strollers, ito na ang highlight ng gabing ito. So everyone is waiting for the fireworks display and the light show. I think may drone show then later. Yun nga naman, ang daming tao talagang naghihintay. It's 9:30 p.m. na dito sa Paris, friends. And I think an hour from now, mag-start na siya. So everyone looks excited. So yan, abangan natin.
And finally strollers, ito nagdidilim na, so sign na to na magsisimula na ang light show. This Disneyland Sky Parade is a breathtaking nighttime spectacle that transforms the sky into a dazzling canvas of lights, colors, and Disney magic. Featuring a harmonious blend of fireworks, lasers, and stunning projections, this show brings beloved Disney stories to life in the night sky. Talaga namang nakakamangha ang Sky Parade na ito, mga strollers. Sigurado, bata man o may edad na, mag-e-enjoy sa Skylight Show na ito. what, strollers? Strolling around Disneyland Park has always been a dream of mine ever since I was a kid. Naalala ko nung bata pa ako, papanood ko lang to sa TV. Papanood ko sa iba't ibang travel shows at nadidinig ko sa iba kong classmates. I was just imagining what it would be like to actually walk through those magical gates, see the castle up close, and meet all the characters that I have seen in those classic Disney movies.
We're staying warm, and the star will always shine.
But for me, strollers, Disneyland is not just an amusement park. It is a magical world that I've always wished I could step into. And now, sitting here in front of this Disneyland castle, it's honestly surreal. I feel like my inner child is jumping out for joy, and every corner of this place reminds me of that excitement and wonder I had growing up. This is absolutely a dream come true. And sana mapanood niyo talaga itong vlog ko na ito at mag-enjoy kayo.
Sent to you
At umaasa ako, strollers, sa ilang minutong panonood ng vlog ko na ito ay maparamdam ko sa inyo na parang nadala ko na rin kayo dito sa Disneyland.
Now the wise man keeping watch while it's midnight, and though it's cold outside, we're staying warm.
So yun. That's it. Tapos na yung half an hour light show and fireworks dito. Grabe. Parang bigla akong bumalik sa kabataan ko sa pagkabata ko. Parang mamaya gusto ko mag-subscribe sa Disney Channel at panoorin lahat ng Disney movies. Grabe, ang ganda. Ganda ng fireworks, lahat. So, yan. Talagang happiest place on earth ang Disneyland.
Watch out, the reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me.
Talaga naman, strollers, pauwi na ako. Nagpakita pa dong si Donald Duck. Aba, gusto yatang sumama sa akin pauwi. Ayaw akong tigilan.
Walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down.
Sa strollers, pag dito sa Paris, inabutan ka lang aning oras sa pag-ikot-ikot. Hindi problema ang pagkain kasi may 24 hours na parang bake shop. So, nakabili tayo ng pagkain. So, it's only €1. So, less than £1 siya. So, sarap siya. Mainit, malambot sa loob. That's it.
I know